Hello, in this video we will machine this helical slot. I will use a pocketing operation to do that. At the first I define the base surface. Choose base surface and click the surface. Okay. After that I define the curves. Double click here and here and here and this one. Add it as pocket. So now we can see the pocket that uses our base surface. So if I calculate the toolpath, we will see toolpath along this level, along this base surface. So next thing I'd like to do is go to parameters of the operation, strategy, set toolpath projection, set toolpath projection, and tool orientation mode normal to the base surface. Okay, and if I recalculate toolpath after that, the toolpath will be projected onto the model. So I need to define the spherical mill also. Yes, and sorry, what's wrong? Spherical mill. Yes. Excuse me. Parameters, for example, 20 millimeters diameter. Okay. So it takes some time to calculate. So we can see this toolpath. And to create rough cuts, I need to define the levels. 0 level corresponds to our face, so I need to input 0. Let me input 0, 25 for example here, and save level 30. Depth of cut, for example, 5 millimeters. Okay, and recalculating. It takes some time to calculate. So now we have the ready toolpath. Go to simulation mode, make part visible, and simulate it. Make the machine visible also. Okay, Thank you very much for your attention. Bye.